Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back to share day 11 and 12. So I think there was a mix-up because these are the tags that I took off the presents, and um, there was one that it says 11. Let's see, that says 11, and then there was one that said 11 and 12. So I'm going to share that with you. So I want to say 11 and 12 was these beautiful ribbon, and she knows me, I absolutely love ribbon. So this is thank you. And then I think the other 11 is this, the burlap trim. So I love this color. I want to try and do, I think I already have one started, but I want to try and do like a snippet roll with this burlap. So who knows, I might have to try that out. So thank you, Native. And this is for 11 and day 11 and 12. I will see you on Sunday, guys. Bye, everyone.